All you'll need is a block of wood or something similar and a spirit level if you have one. Always turn off and eliminate power to your oven before any repairs. Remove any large oven dishes from inside, and then using a block of wood or something similar, prop your oven up, asking for help if needed. To remove the old leg, simply unscrew it. With your new leg, screw it into the hole. Once you have the desired height, tighten the plastic part attached to the leg upwards to the metal leg from the oven frame. Tightening this part will make sure the leg is nice and sturdy and the leg will not wobble. You can do this by hand or with a wrench. Slowly and gently lower the oven back to the floor, again asking for help if needed. If you have a spirit level, use it to check the oven is level. And that's it, your new adjustable foot leg is all set to go.